Hello and welcome to episode 18 of our Unit 4 Financials by Coda feature Spotlight series. In this episode, watch a demo of the Millennium Plus calculator. You will find our calculator on the Millennium website, millenniumconsulting.com. In the menu, under Unit 4 Financials, Services, Millennium Plus. Use the calculator here. The calculator allows you to select many different but common activities and provides an accurate estimate of how long that work will take and will provide a cost. You can select your preferred currency. To date, we have United States dollars, British pounds sterling, and euros. In this video example, let's use pounds. When you take 12 to 25 days of service from us within a year, you fall into our base package, which gives you a 3% discount off your package. Our premium package, 26 to 74 days, gives you a 5% discount off your package. And our ultimate package gives you an 8% discount, 75 plus days per year. Here you can also see our standard day rate. This discount applies to anything you buy from us for the duration of your contract. For example, if you're on a premium contract with us for 30 days, anything new we do for you, you will get a 5% discount. Any new business, any new products, any new services, that 5% discount applies to everything. You can upgrade your package during your contract. For example, if you start with 30 days on a premium package and 3 months in, you need to increase it to 75 days, we can upgrade your contract to Ultimate and honour an 8% discount for everything from that adjustment. The package Selector allows you to run through our typical activities for financials users. It will ask you pertinent questions to calculate how much time that would take. Here you can see the questions are currently set in 4 different categories. This extensive list are the common services our clients ask for. But note that we are constantly developing this and will continuously add to it. We have it broken down into fixed activities, for example, archiving. On-demand activities are incident management style activities. And other services, quite simply, things that don't sit in the other categories. And bolt-ons. A bolt-on is a project or service that doesn't contribute to the determination of your package, as they tend to be much more extensive projects. For example, an upgrade from version 14 of Unit 4 Financials by Coda to the latest continuous release. Let's have a quick run-through. Starting with fixed activities, let's select Environment Monitoring, a quarterly check with 2 environments. And backup of live and refresh your test database. Again, let's go quarterly but with 1 environment. Let's select to implement an SSL certificate with an annual frequency, and let's run year ends too, along with quarterly service packs. Now let's add our on-demand activities. Let's set up some authorization workflows and a new company setup. Also, the Millennium System Review is a health check for your ecosystem. For this example, let's say you have 2 environments using all the modules. Other services could include writing test scripts, helping with training, service desk outreach support, etc. You can input exactly how many days you need. A quick look at the bolt-ons. Bolt-ons, for this example, let's say you're interested in an upgrade from version 14. Let's just input a few quick details to generate this quote. Then go to the bottom and click Submit. Immediately, the calculator will provide you with your quote. It will show you the package you qualify for, what you would have paid, the discount, and the actual cost of your package. You can see bolt-on costings added and then the grand total. It also highlights how many you would need to select to qualify for the next package. You can then email the quote to yourself. In a nutshell, that's the Millennium Plus calculator. For further information on Millennium Plus, please get in touch, and we're always happy to help.